Hello, today we will guide you through how to use Thinkorswim Stock Hacker. Stock Hacker is Thinkorswim's built-in stock scanning tool. It helps you quickly find symbols that match criteria you care about, such as price ranges, volume, or technical and fundamental characteristics. In this walkthrough, we'll keep things simple and focused so you can get comfortable with the layout and start running scans with confidence. Begin by opening the Thinkorswim app. Give it a moment to load your workspace. Once you're in, you'll see the platform's main layout with tabs and tools arranged along the top. If your window is small, consider maximizing it so the full navigation bar is visible and easy to read. Next, look for the Scan tab at the top. It sits alongside other major areas of the platform, like charts and trade. The Scan tab is where all the search and filtering tools live. If you don't immediately see it, hover over the top navigation to reveal more options, or gently widen the application window so the tab labels aren't truncated. Click on Scan to open the scanning workspace. You'll notice that the scan area includes different modes for different tasks. This is where Thinkorswim groups powerful tools under one umbrella, so it's normal to see multiple subtabs once you're inside. Now click on Stock Hacker. This brings you to the dedicated interface for scanning stocks, as opposed to options or other instruments. The layout typically shows a set of filter rows, a place to choose your stock universe or watch list, and a results pane that will populate when you run the scan. The controls are designed to be flexible so you can make broad searches or very targeted ones depending on your needs. From here, follow the on-screen procedure. The platform will guide you to select where to search, such as the full market or a specific watch list, and to adjust any default filters. You'll usually see simple fields like minimum and maximum values for metrics such as price or volume, along with the ability to include other criteria. Keep your first scan straightforward so you can preview how results come back. If your results list is too long, tighten your ranges. If it's too short, relax them. When you run the scan, give it a moment to process and display matches in the results area. You can sort the columns to bring the most relevant symbols to the top. As you become comfortable, the on-screen controls also provide ways to name, save, or reuse your scan layouts so you don't have to rebuild them later. That's it. You open Thinkorswim, navigated to scan, chose Stock Hacker, and follow the on-screen prompts to run a search. With a few adjustments, you'll quickly tailor scans that surface the stocks you want to watch.